Well on peeps, they're going to be speaking about something very cool here for every PS5 owner. Yes, this is a battery pack for any PS5 controller. Right here is my DualSense Edge. Simple plug out, plug in, drop on, drop off. It works flawlessly. Very simple tool, very effective, and I am not lying. I no longer plug in my PS5 controllers anymore. This is how I charge my controllers every single time. As you can see how dirty this thing has gotten. Like, I've used this thing non-stop since getting it a couple of years ago. I didn't even try cleaning it for this video just to show you. This has changed how I play my games. I'm always wireless. This is able to charge your PS5 controllers 1 and something. If you forget after fully charging a controller, it will still give you some juice. You, of course, plug it in and charge it via this USB-C port here. It also allows pass-through charging. So if this is completely dead, yeah, unfortunately, you're going to have to be tethered to a wire. You also have a button here to check the battery status. If it's glowing orange, that means it's not fully charged. It will glow about this teal aquamarine greenish kind of color when it's fully charged. It's nicely curved here, so it fits right onto the PS5 controller. And I've had this thing for so long, I'm not sure if it's still on the market, but you don't know, I will be leaving a link to it in the description below, and alternatives if it is no longer on the market. I'll imagine right now, since the technology has matured, there could be larger capacities as well. Some people say, hey, why are you doing that for? Just rip out the OEM battery that you see here in the see-through chassis here of my custom DualSense Edge and put in a larger capacity one. There are tons of them on the market, third-party solutions. But you run the risk of breaking the controller chassis. You run the risk of stripping the screws. It also takes time. You also run a risk, if you're not so technically inclined, of just utterly screwing up your DualSense controller. For me, it's pretty simple. For many others, it is pretty simple. But a lot of people just want something simple that works, that extends the life of your battery and your play sessions without you being tethered to a wire. This is the best solution that I have personally found, and I literally just cannot do without it anymore. So can't speak more highly about a peripheral such as this, an accessory such as this. Check it out. I highly recommend it. You will not regret it. So that's it, peeps. Thought I'd share that with you. Thanks once again for tuning in. You don't know, I'll appreciate a like, subscribe, and of course hitting that little notification bell so you know when the next video is out. See you in the next one. Peace out and take care.